When it comes to hunting deer, choosing the right rifle is crucial for a successful and ethical harvest. Popular choices among hunters include the venerable Remington Model 700, prized for its accuracy and versatility across various calibers. The timeless Winchester Model 70 is also a favorite, known for its smooth action and robust build quality, ideal for rugged hunting conditions. Additionally, the Ruger American Rifle offers exceptional value with reliable performance and a range of caliber options. Whether pursuing whitetail in dense forests or mule deer in open plains, a well-chosen deer rifle is an indispensable tool for any serious hunter's arsenal. Now let's get started. Number 9. Browning Bar is a gas-operated semi-automatic rifle revered for its reliability and handling. Designed for smooth operation and exceptional accuracy, it boasts a strong, multi-lug rotating bolt that locks directly into the barrel for confident shooting. The bar's history stretches back over a century, offering a variety of models to suit your preference. Whether you prefer the classic styling of the Bar Safari or the modern aesthetics of the short-track version, each rifle features a detachable box magazine and comes chambered in a wide range of calibers for versatility in the field. With its proven gas system and robust design, the Browning Bar is a timeless choice for hunters seeking a dependable semi-automatic rifle that delivers on performance. Number 8. Winchester Model 70 stands as a legend in the firearms world. Introduced in 1936, this controlled feed bolt-action rifle is renowned for its unmatched smoothness, legendary strength, and exceptional accuracy. Its Mauser-inspired design features a 3-lug bolt locking directly into the barrel for unwavering reliability, while the controlled feed mechanism ensures smooth cartridge movement during loading and ejection. Beloved by hunters and target shooters alike, the Model 70 boasts a classic, elegant stock design available in wood or synthetic materials. Offered in a vast array of calibers from light varmint rounds to powerful big game cartridges, the Winchester Model 70 remains a timeless symbol of firearm excellence, revered for its enduring legacy of quality and performance. Number 7. Weatherby Vanguard Series 2. It features a 2-lug bolt design with a unique AccuTrigger system, allowing customization for a crisp, light trigger pull for precise shot placement. The cold hammer-forged barrel, constructed from Weatherby's proprietary Cromley steel, delivers exceptional accuracy and longevity. The Vanguard Series 2 is available in a wide range of popular calibers, from light recoiling varmint options to hard-hitting magnums suitable for big game hunting. With its dependable design, customizable trigger, and exceptional accuracy, the Weatherby Vanguard Series 2 is a compelling choice for hunters and target shooters seeking a rifle that delivers superior performance at a competitive price point. Number 6. Browning X Bolt Hunter is a bolt-action rifle designed for hunters who prioritize accuracy and a smooth shooting experience. Built with a lightweight yet strong composite stock that comes in various finishes, it features Browning's signature X-Lock bolt system. This 2-lug design ensures smooth operation and unwavering lockup for reliable performance. The heart of the X-Bolt Hunter's accuracy lies in its free-floated sporter-weight barrel crafted from high-quality steel. The crisp user-adjustable feather trigger allows for precise shot control, while the detachable rotary magazine offers quick reloading in the field. Available in a wide range of popular calibers suitable for game of all sizes, the Browning X-Bolt Hunter is a well-balanced rifle that prioritizes comfort, accuracy, and reliability, making it a favorite among hunters who appreciate Browning's heritage of quality firearms. Number 5. Ruger American Rifle Generation 2. Offering hunters and shooters an improved bolt-action rifle at a mid-range price. Designed with customer feedback in mind, the Gen 2 boasts a modular, adjustable stock system that allows for customization of length of pull and comb height for a better fit. The 3-position safety provides for safe handling, while the Ruger Marksman adjustable trigger allows for a personalized trigger pull weight. Available in a variety of calibers from varmint to big game, the Gen 2 comes in 2 configurations: standard models with a durable Cerakote finish and textured stock, and ranch models with a lighter weight, compact 16-inch barrel, and a distinctive cobalt Cerakote finish. This upgrade to a proven platform makes the Ruger American Rifle Generation 2 a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile, accurate, and customizable rifle. Number 4. Browning BLR. It boasts a sleek walnut or synthetic stock and a smooth lever-operated action that allows for rapid cycling. Unlike traditional lever guns, the BLR utilizes a unique rotary bolt and a detachable box magazine, enabling it to handle powerful magnum calibers alongside standard options. This versatility extends to barrel lengths, catering to hunting styles from close quarters brush to long-range open fields. Renowned for its crisp trigger and exceptional accuracy, the Browning BLR is a reliable and fast-handling rifle that appeals to hunters seeking a blend of timeless aesthetics with modern power and performance. Number 3. Winchester Model 94. A legendary place in firearms history. Designed by John Browning in 1894, it was among the first rifles to chamber smokeless powder cartridges, the powerful 30-30 Win. Among them, This innovation, alongside its smooth lever action and walnut stock, made it a favorite for hunters, cowboys, and frontiersmen alike. The Model 94's enduring legacy is built on its reliability, offering a fast-shooting platform for everything from deer hunting to warding off predators. Still in production today, the Winchester Model 94, available in various calibers and barrel lengths, remains a symbol of the American frontier, reminding us of a time when this lever-action rifle helped tame the Wild West. Number 2. 170 grain round nose 30 caliber is a good choice for hunters seeking a balance between penetration and expansion at short to moderate ranges. Commonly found in cartridges like the 30-30 Winchester, this bullet's rounded tip creates less wind drift compared to pointed bullets, making it ideal for brush hunting or shots within 150 yards. While not ideal for long-range hunting, the substantial weight of the 170 grain bullet delivers good penetration on medium-sized game like deer and black bear. Jacketed versions offer controlled expansion for reliable energy transfer, while flat-nose variants can be suitable for lever-action rifles due to their safer profile for feeding from tubular magazines. Number 1. Tikka T3X is a renowned choice for hunters and target shooters seeking a balance of accuracy, reliability, and value. Manufactured in Finland, these bolt-action rifles are known for their exceptional cold hammer-forged barrels that deliver sub-MOA accuracy with proper ammunition. The smooth two-lug bolt action ensures quick cycling and positive lockup, while the lightweight yet strong synthetic or wooden stock options provide comfortable handling. The Tikka T3X comes in a wide range of popular calibers, from varmint rounds to big game magnums, allowing customization for various hunting applications. With its emphasis on precision, user-friendliness, and adaptability, the Tikka T3X is a versatile and dependable rifle that caters to a variety of shooting needs.